You've probably been using just one market and getting low odds. In this video, I'll show you how combining match result with both teams to score can help you build smarter slips with bigger odds. So I'll be focusing on the French League 1 and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are PSG vs FC Nantes. So checking the last 5 matches, you can see that on March 4th, 2023, only 6 goals were scored in the match. PSG did score 4 and the other team did score 2. So the market of which we'll obviously be focusing on is the both teams to score, which is the both teams to score, yes. And here we can see that both teams did score and our market did work. Review on the next match on December 9, 2023, you can see that both teams did score again and our market did work, guys. Our market did work again here. Review on the next match, you can see that on February 17, 2024, you can see that only one team did score here. Only one team did score, but my market worked 2 times. So let's see the next match on November 30, 2024. You can see that both teams to score did work again. Our market did work, guys. Our market did work. Moving on to the next match on April 22, 2025, we can see that our market did work, guys. Our market did work. Both teams did score. Both teams did score here. You can see properly that our market did work. So, guys, as we're analyzing, right, you can see that our market did work 4 times. Our market did work 4 times. So it shows us that we still have a higher chance of winning our bet if we bet for the both teams to score, and yes, you could still have a higher chance. And right now we'll be moving on the match result, and I'll be focusing on the following teams, which are PSG vs Angers SCO. So checking the last 5 matches, we can see that on April 22, PSG did win the match 3-0, and the market of which we'll be focusing on is the match result. So here we'll be seeing PSG to win the match, and you can see that here our market did work. Our market did work. We on the next match on January 11th, 2023, you can see that PSG did win the match again. PSG did win the match again 2-0. Our market did work here again. Moving on to the next match on April 2023-21, we can see that our market did work again. Seems like this market is working, man. A serious, solid market. So moving on next match, November 9th, 2024, we can see that our market did work again. PSG did win the match 2-4. Our market did work here. Seems like the market was working, like it's really working. We could win using this market 4 times in a row. It's a good market, man. So moving on the next match on April 5, 2025, we can see that PSG did win the match again. So it tells us that our strategy is really working. Could really work if you bet for it on the PSG to win, because you can see PSG win 5 times in a row. So guys, yeah, also analyzing, as I said, you can see that PSG won 5 times in a row. Sometimes it won in 2-1. So it shows us that this market is a solid market. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.